Namaste. Myself, Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about the rising cost of the higher education. Understanding the rising cost of higher education. The cost of college education has been increasing over the past decades. It is not difficult for any person to analyze the past, present and future of rising tuition cost कि जो कॉलेज एजुकेशन की जो कॉस्ट है वो डे बाय डे इंक्रीज हो सकती है और यू कैन एनालाइज इट ईजिली past, present and the future. This creates the question, why is the cost of college education increasing? If you have a look at the tuition and the fee from 1975 to 2016, you will notice that cost of education is on steady rise. क्यों बढ़ रहा है? लेकिन अगर आप देखोगे 1975 से 2016 तक एक स्टडी राइज है कॉस्ट ऑफ द एजुकेशन. Many things have led to the constant increase in the cost of the college education. There is no doubt that college education will be higher in the future than it is now. Here are some of the reasons why the cost of education has been increasing with each passing year. First reason, inflation. Inflation is the main reason why the cost of college education has increased significantly over the past few years. The cost of book and other supplies that are needed in a college have forced the growth of money that students pay as tuition fee every year. As long as the rate of inflation is increasing, the amount of money that student will pay in the university will always increase as well. Most things that college provide to their student are more expensive today than they used to be a few days ago. फिर है need to increase the earning of college staff. People working in the university demand an increase in salary and allowance every year. This include both the teaching and non-teaching staff. Most of these people draw their salary from the money that is paid by the student. Therefore, only way that the college will be able to increase their wages and allowance is by asking parents to pay more for their children. Therefore, you should expect to pay more in the future as long as there is a need for college employee to earn more. Third, increasing cost of accommodation. Cost of housing for college student has been increasing over the years. This value increases the overall cost of the college education. The number of students going to college today is higher than the number of students that joined college 10 years ago. कि जो स्टूडेंट्स का रेशियो है कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने का वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. अगर लास्ट के आप 10 ईयर्स को देखो तो उसके कंपेरेटिवली देयर इज अ हाई नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दैट ज्वाइन द कॉलेज. दिस हैज़ लीड टू इंक्रीज इन डिमांड फॉर अकोमोडेशन फैकल्टी. तो अब स्टूडेंट का नंबर ज़्यादा हो तो अकोमोडेशन भी ज़्यादा चाहिए. Inflation also play a role in growth of the cost accommodation. भाई इन्फ्लेशन से तो कोस्ट अकोमोडेशन का भी बढ़ रहा है. हर जगह महंगाई बढ़ रही है, हर चीज़ के रेट्स आपको डबल होते चले जा रहे हैं. इसलिए एजुकेशन के अंदर भी इसके रेट इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. When the cost of the things that student need while in a housing facility increases, they will have to pay more to be accommodated. तो जो बढ़ता जाएगा तो स्टूडेंट को उसको पे करना पड़ेगा. मैनी अदर थिंग्स हैव लीड टू इंक्रीज इन द कॉस्ट ऑफ कॉलेज एजुकेशन. कंसिडरिंग द ट्रेड यू शुड एक्सपेक्ट टू पे मोर इन द फ्यूचर. और आपको फ्यूचर के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए कि भाई आगे आगे कॉस्ट और भी बढ़ता चला जाएगा. आगे आगे जैसे जैसे कॉस्ट बढ़ेगी तो आप लोगों को भी रेडी टू पे फॉर मोर फॉर द एजुकेशन. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द रीजन ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग the cost in the higher education. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you very much.